We've listened intently to our customers over the years in order to understand their various operating environments and changing needs. The future is here. Redesigned, redeveloped, and reborn as a durable new series of convection ovens designed for ease of use, increased application, and future-proof durability. The new Turbofan series of convection ovens has a fresh, contemporary, smart design that looks superior in any front-of-house application. A new benchmark in reduced oven footprints, a wider product range selection with increased tray loading capacity to suit virtually any application where performance, space, and functionality are paramount. Turbofan has raised the benchmark in performance. The Turbofan convection oven fan system is more powerful and increases air volume and distribution of the heat within the oven cavity. Our ovens are flawlessly made with durable construction to deliver today's needs for a more effective practical solution. The ovens and accessories work together to deliver solid reliability and outstanding features, thereby continuing the legacy of the Turbofan brand. Lowering the carbon footprint of our products is a key Moffat planet-friendly strategy. Sourcing construction, packaging, and efficient fan systems that deliver efficient performance each and every day. Each product in the new series carries Turbofan performance and durability in its DNA. So what's new? The new Turbofan series high-volume airflow convection oven performance is produced by our bidirectional fan system technology. The fan is fully stainless steel and circulates in dual asymmetric directions. By changing the convected air direction, the air symmetry is more balanced and enhances the evenness of cooking within the oven chamber and across the oven tray, baking evenly each day, all day. The new E28 model features a dual bidirectional fan system for a more powerful output, giving faster, even heating performance. The intelligent design of the Turbofan 20 series is epitomized by our door design, with all ovens having a unique easy clean door glass system. This feature allows the operator to complete a quick daily wipe down with absolute ease, and the inner glass panel can be removed without tools when thorough cleaning is required. The frame doors protect the glass edges against those occasional knocks. Our one-piece door handles are finished in scratch-resistant powder coating and are always cool to touch. The new Turbofan drop-down door hinges are dedicated to ensuring an effective seal. Our dual spring system operates with one spring for the counterbalanced opening and closing of the door, while a second spring guarantees the door closes tight each and every time. We apply a thermal reflective transparent coating to all of our Turbofan oven doors that limits heat absorption and the amount of heat being transferred to the outer surface of the glass panel. Included in this feature, a venting door design that allows any heat to further dissipate while it approaches the second glass panel via an air gap, ensuring that more heat is contained within the oven cavity. This results in faster baking and cooking, more energy efficiency, and decreased emissivity so that the outside door temperature remains cooler to touch and safe. The Turbofan oven chamber has an impervious sealed porcelain enamel coating applied to both sides of the oven liner. This formulation of the coating and the firing process creates this superior finish, which is made durable and easy to clean. Halogen G9 lamps with an auto-off feature are favorably positioned to ensure the optimum illumination when food is placed on tray. Halogen lamps emit a brighter, wider light and have a longer product life than convectional incandescent bulbs. Leading market tray spacing enables product loading versatility. The space within our oven cavities is fully functional and usable for all applications. All Turbofan series ovens are available in both American and Gastronorm pan sizes. Our racking system makes using the oven even easier. Oven racks are anti-withdraw, anti-tilt, and feature a long 70% telescopic reach. The side racks can be quickly removed for ease of cleaning by undoing easy-to-release screws. The new digital baking controller and ideal placement of the thermostat in the oven cavity of the Turbofan 30 series ensures ultimate responsiveness. An industry-leading 3/4 inch or 20 mm clear visible display for both time and temperature. Control knobs are central return. Turn to the left or to the right to alter time or temperature, along with other simple controls for alarm messaging. Moisture, steam, is pulse or timed water injection feature. Our 30 series oven features both manual and program mode functions depending on the individual model. Its efficient, smart, and simple design makes it an ease to use for a wide range of applications. A new anti-skid system via the leg ring will make your oven stay in position and resist movement while reducing noise and vibration on non-porous surfaces. This also means that the oven can sit directly on compatible stands with no need for additional leg mounting. The ultimate in adaptability, the evolution of the turbofan range has meant that we have naturally selected the best features of all of our products and developed them to adapt to any environment and thrive in any situation. The new series offers baking ovens in various dimensions and capacities, adaptable enough to enable frozen goods, morning goods, patisseries, croissants, Danish pastries, and savories to be baked fresh daily. With increased rack spacing and loading capacities within the 20 series, this can also be ideally suited where bakery products can be added as convenience product. Delicate cooking within the turbofan convection oven is ideal for food service situations such as roasting beef, chicken, and pork, and baking meatloaf, pies, potato bakes, and casseroles, to name a few. Another great use is the ability to regenerate bulk and single portion dishes, as these dependable specialty and utility ovens suit situations from independent caterers to large institutions. The new Turbofan Convection Oven 20 series offers reduced footprints, better rack spacing, and bidirectional fan system. The new Turbofan Convection Oven 30 series offers the ultimate in commercial ovens that are ideal for baking, roasting, and holding. Coupled with a matching Prover holding cabinet to suit, 8 or 12 tray, and autofill humidity generation and holding cabinet functions, the 32 series oven is as versatile and as reliable as it gets. Single ovens can be mounted on custom stands that only require simple 10-minute assembly. Each has modular fit and is styled to complement the Turbofan series. Our networks of dealer showrooms are well resourced to provide all the information on the Turbofan Convection Oven System series. Moffat provides full service backup 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our own technical service department provides full support through a highly trained team of service personnel in each of the branches.